Did you know that an abscess, a tender mass filled with pus, can develop in any part of your body due to infection? This condition can be painful and warm to touch, but with immediate medical attention, it can be effectively treated. Abscesses are usually caused by bacterial infections, and common symptoms include redness, fever, and chills. They can be diagnosed through physical examination and specific lab tests, such as bacteria culture and sensitivity tests. Treatment often involves antibiotics and, in some cases, surgery to drain the excess pus. If left untreated, it can lead to complications like chronic non-healing ulcers, tissue death, spread of infection through the bloodstream, and even bone infection. Considering the potential risks, how important do you think it is to maintain good hygiene practices to prevent the development of abscesses? And what's your opinion on the potential damage that untreated abscesses could cause to our health and society? The most controversial comment will be pinned at the top. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for daily health news.